Welcome to this quick Ticmint tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to enable guest checkout for your event. First, log into your Ticmint dashboard. Once logged in, open the event where you want to enable guest checkout. First, add either your email or WhatsApp number on the registration form. It is not mandatory to add both. Click Registration Form from the left side menu. For guest checkout to work on Ticmint, one of these two fields are mandatory: WhatsApp number or email address. These fields ensure tickets can be delivered even when the user checks out as a guest. Now, scroll down the left side menu and click Event Settings. In the bottom, you'll find the Authentication section. Open the Authentication drop-down and select Allow Guest Checkout. This allows attendees to buy tickets without logging in. Click Save to update your event settings. You can now preview your event checkout. Ticmint will allow guests to buy using only WhatsApp number and email.
If you have any questions, reach out to support@ticmint.com.